this. Nice. Alright guys, this should be ready. Perfect. Let's go this way. Let's go ahead and cut these steak fries. This. And guys, here we have some butter with rosemary, garlic, and thyme. Over here we have paprika and red chili flakes. Pick your favorite. We're gonna go ahead and, for now, let's go with this one. There we go. Give that a little extra flavor. Delicious. And we go into our mashed potatoes, skin on. Simple but tasty. All we have there is salt, pepper, a little garlic powder, butter, and some fresh potatoes. There we go. Hot oil. Careful. Give it a little twist. And we go. Alright, this should be ready. Check that out. Nice and crispy exterior. We got a nice steak on the inside. Literally guys, steak fries. Let's go this way. And here's the last one, y'all. All we're gonna do now to perfect this is a little flaky salt all over. Tiny bit of pepper. And some fresh parsley. Like that. Now here you have some mustard, ketchup, hot sauce. You can use any sauce you want or none at all. It's not really needed this way. Get that on that hot surface. We have some garlic, black pepper, and a little kosher salt. Now once our butter is nice and melted, we're gonna go ahead and place this right here for us. Quickly. Grab yourself a little whiskey. Honey whiskey that is. Give it a little swirl. And we come back through with this beautiful steak. Grab it and place it in there. Give that about 2 minutes. Now it's about time to give this baby a good little flip. Another 2.5 minutes and we'll be right back. Now that we have buttered it up, we're gonna go ahead and give it a nice little seasoning. Kosher salt and black pepper. Give it a little tap. Let's grab the other side. Thick coat. Get a little extra on there. And we're back onto the heat this way. There we go. Let that rest. All right, we're gonna go ahead and hit it one more time with the butter, just like that. Beautiful. Go ahead and grab this baby and let it rest right on the side for about 10 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and grab our potatoes and move on. Potatoes, guys. You know what that is. Look at this beauty. Bacon. Then go ahead and roll it down. We have some sliced cheddar cheese for y'all. 2 little slices. Goes a long way. Place them down. Chefclub barbecue spice. Just a little bit on each strip. It's gonna give it enough flavor to make your taste buds go wow. There we go. Right after that, we're gonna go ahead and flip this. Give it a little touch. And perfect. And do the same thing here. Just trying to give you a little practical, easy, simple, and fun way at the same time if you want to work with your kids in the kitchen. There we go. Switcheroo. Here we go. Get yourself a little potato and a knife. Now, we Hasselback this baby. Get that out of there. You see this? Not too thin, not too thick. You can go ahead and grab these here. Open it up, break it. Perfect. We're going to place it with the rest. Look at that. Right over here. But we're not done yet. We come through with a little butter. Nice little butter ball. And we place it. Alright, let's get our Last little scoop on there. Just get some salt and pepper on all of them, like that. Beautiful. Close this up, get it nice and tight. The butter will melt down, guys. Don't worry about that. And we are off to the oven at 350 degrees for 45 to 55 minutes. And we'll be right back. And now we are back from the oven with these beautiful Hasselback potatoes. We're going to put some sour cream and chives right in the center. Come over to this delicious juicy steak. Guys, it can't be any better. Perfect. Look at that. Get some chives. Get yourself a nice piece of meat. Look at that. There we go. We're going to place this to the side. Move on to the top buns. Same thing. So we got some nacho cheese, but my cheese, cheddar sauce. Press it down. Check it out. Nice. Get that another swirl. Got some jalapenos here. Mix them up with our nice crispy bacon. Spread it. We can grab our tops and bring them like that. Careful. And here we go. Give that a little press. And bring it back over to this side. Let's check it out. Oh wow. We're gonna go ahead and keep these in very low temperature in the oven while we work on our next step. Let's go this way. Rest. Let's let them stay nice and warm. Super low temperature. We'll be right back. So our goal today is to make the most epic bacon cheeseburger. We're gonna crunch this up. Beautiful. We have some rendered bacon grease right over here. Bring this and check it out. I'm gonna pour it in there, just like that. Give it a little swirl. Beautiful. Usually I like 85-15 for my burgers. This time I went with lean beef. This is why we're adding some of this on there. There we go. So bacon and bacon fat. Put that to the side. We have salt, black pepper, and garlic. Give that a nice little mix. Make our patties. Nice. We're going to place it right here. The last one on this tray. I'm going to come and flip them all at once, just like this. Get that off. Bring these over here. Start smashing down just a bit. Get that nice little flip. We have some delicious grilled onions, like this. Tiny bit of yellow mustard, and a delicious pickle. Let's pick these babies up and move over this way. Drop them off. Come back for the rest. Let's go. Last row. Let's just dump them off right here. We have our tops. Place them on top, of course. Carefully. Whew. Get the rest of this on the top. Let's go for one.